Hello guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm Farhan Allahverdi and this is my to-do list Python project which I've written for CS50 Python, and it took me about a month, dare I say, or more, month and a half probably. So I'm living in Tehran, which is the capital of Iran, and I'm 16 years old. So let's go and take a look over my project. I've previously run the project using Python project.py, which is the command for running Python files, and I've previously also created a to-do.txt file, which we can also see via show to-do list command, as you can see. And at the end of each operation, our program wants us to see if we have any other things to do or not. So we can exit the program or run the program one more time. And how about we see how many tasks we have inside our to-do list, to-do.txt, and it's empty, as you can see. So how about this? We use Ctrl+C to exit this part of the program, and we add a new task into our to-do.txt, and the task is, for example, hello world. Any other operations? Yes. And how about I see my tasks now using number 4 to-do.txt hello world. And what if we wanted to sort of delete, or no, let's edit that. So the name of the to-do list, to-do.txt, the task is that, and it says enter the number of tasks to be edited, and we have one task at hand, so that is kind of more of a verbose thing, but when you have more and more tasks, that is a good idea to prompt the user for the number of the tasks to be edited. And it says enter the new task. How about we say goodbye world? Any other operations? Yes. How about we see what's going on in our to-do list now? To-do.txt and goodbye world. And as the name suggests, our video is ending and we can exit our program using Ctrl+C and say goodbye to CS50 staff, David, and board.